apricot. And this is sound B. B bat. B ball. B box. B book. And B banana. So today we have learned sound A and sound B. We have other alphabets today, we will do it. Okay? Have a nice day.